All the promises you made me, Mr. Ariola. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. I'm going to go there. I'm going to stay. I promise. In one ear, out the other. And you picked up yet another criminal trespass. Over and over and over and over. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 criminal trespasses. Possession of marijuana, possession of a controlled substance, attempted possession of a firearm, resisting arrest, failure to identify ×3, possession of a controlled substance ×10. Do you remember what I told you last time you were here? Do you remember, Mr. Ariel? What happened on the newest, Mr. Kim? Newest trespass? Is it the same?
Armando Ariola, Judge.
Please.
April 29th, 2024, officers were dispatched to the Chevron gas station in Harris County, Texas, the same one as all the last criminal trespasses. The now defendant was found in the freezer room. Complainant stated he was trespassed before and wanted to pursue charges.
In the freezer room this time. Same place as all other 18?
Yes, it just notes, generically all the previous criminal trespasses.
It's the same one, right?
Chevron gas 14647, yes, Judge. Yes. Oh, yes.
I will not entertain any offers with you. I will immediately set your case for trial, and I'm going to put you back in the DDRP location. And if you take off, it's okay with me. I will continue to do the same thing, and I will continue to put you back into the DDRP location until it takes. At some point, it's going to take. And I'm going to bring you back here every day to tell you not to go back to the Chevron location. Every day you will come back to see me until we go to trial. And I'm going to keep telling you, don't go back to the Chevron. Okay.
Now going to DDRP, Judge.
Okay, Lori, you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me just tell you, Mr. Ariola, at the outset, you're not here alone. I have a lawyer, Lori, here with you now so that she can be with you during everything that we're doing so that you're not alone. I want to make sure that you know that you're not, it's just not the world against you. You have someone here that's helping you out with the situation. I had Mr. Kim call out to Syed, which is the person who is the manager, I guess.
He is. So, Your Honor, I spoke with Mr. Shahid Syed, and he is the complainant in this case. He stated that he is the manager and business partner of Mr. Mohammed Akhtar. Mr. Mohammed Akhtar is the owner. His son, Siam Akhtar, is also a co-owner. These three, along with the cashier, are the only employees in that gas station. There's no one else there, no one else that can speak for them. All four employees stated that they do not want the defendant at the gas station. The complainant stated that the defendant has previously come in with a stick and another time with a crowbar. He stated that the defendant has also assaulted an officer in another incident. The complainant also says there's a recorded 911 call on one of the incidents where you can hear the defendant admitting that he knows he's not supposed to be there. The complainant believes that the defendant should go to a mental health facility or rehab, but the last time they were in court where he received the conviction from this court, the defendant stated that he was not mentally sick last time in court, and so the complainant doesn't know what to do. The complainant is fearful for his safety and believes that the defendant should be charged with a felony because he was already convicted for trespassing, but he keeps coming back. So he doesn't have a solution. He says he's available for whatever the state needs in terms of this prosecution.
That is from the mouth of the people that work at that gas station. I don't know where you're getting your information that you can go, but you speak. Let me know. What do you?
This is the first time that I've heard that. And it's troubling. I am not, how can I say this?
Just say it.
I've spoke, a matter of fact, with the son. He told me himself, he said, "You're okay with me, man. Just leave whenever Alex come by." I'm not looking for trouble, nor am I against any of them. I'm troubled with what I've just heard right now. Even the main owner, I know him so well. He tells me the same thing, just as his son. He said, "Just leave. You cannot be here whenever Alex comes." He's like,
"Don't go back. It doesn't matter who's telling you what, how many times they've told you, when they've told you. All their minds have changed. They just don't want you back. They're scared of you, Mr. Ariola. They are scared."
I can only just listen to what I just heard. I mean, okay, this is a different picture whenever I'm talking to them, but okay.
I'm only bringing you here because, like I told you, I want you to understand that you cannot go back. And I want you to understand this. And I'm going to bring you here many times because I've told you this. We've done this before. We've exactly done this exact thing where I've had the district attorney's office call them and tell you this. So I don't know what else we have. And that's why I wanted you to go to the DDRP location to see and have you evaluated. Go ahead.
Listen, what I just heard right now, no, that makes my stomach hurt. It is a whole different story when I'm there with them. Right now, I honestly, I don't want to go back there if this is what came, if this is the statement that came out of who was it?
Spoke with Mr. Syed.
Syed. That troubles me. I have a family. I have a family to take care of, and I'm being troubled by these privileged called by Mr. Syed. I don't even think this man. I don't hate this man. I'm just troubled about what's being, many ways.
You shouldn't let it trouble you. It doesn't matter. Just don't go back. It shouldn't make your stomach hurt. It shouldn't trouble you. None of that matters. Just don't go back and everything will be fine.
Believe me, yes. Now that this statement was made, believe me, I have a family to take care of. I really don't say much because I just want to get, I'm not here for no excuses or nothing. I can only bring the facts of it all. Okay, I have a family to take care of, and my time is being taken away from me being able to provide for my family. I was with my family 5 days. 5 days. When I went to the store just to talk to a friend, and that friend was the son, and he told me, he's like, "It's okay, Ronnie, you can be here. Just leave whenever he comes." I'm like, "Okay, man. I don't really even."
That's the problem, though. The problem is you never know when the guy's going to come back. You never know. What if he comes in 5 minutes after he told you? You never know. That's why the best way is not to go back at all.
And I'm perfectly sane. I know from right from wrong. I'm not committing no crimes.
No, you don't.
I'm not intentionally, going out there committing crimes, even that by doing drugs or any of that.
We need to figure out where we're going to go from here because I don't know. So let me talk with Lori, your lawyer. Let's figure out a path where we're going to go from here. We sent you to the facility for you to get evaluated, but you left. And after you left, you went back to this place, you picked up a new trespass case. So I don't know where we're going to go from here.
What do you mean I left?
You were ordered to, and you agreed with me that you were going to go to this residential facility. You agreed with me.
No, the trial, I lost the trial. You put me in this facility.
Correct.
Okay. And I guess
You told me at that time that you were willingly going to go because you wanted things to change and you wanted to better yourself.
I'm not asking for treatment. I'm here as a man right now. I stand before you. I stand before this court. I am not asking for treatment. Then
I'm at a complete loss of how to go forward, Mr. Ariella, because I don't know
Jail.
what.
What do you mean that I left the facility? The facility that you sent me, I completed.
He completed it April 23rd, 2020.
Oh, I thought he took off.
No, he completed it.
Oh, wonderful. So what happened though? You completed it, he got out, and then you picked up a new trespass.
In less than 10 days. Since he said
In less than 10 days. This is the privileged call. I'm asking the court to recognize this. I am not intentionally doing something, passing the line or jumping over a fence or sneaking in behind. I'm asking that this court recognize this privileged cause is taking away my time. I am not on drugs. I am not on dope. I am simply just at a place.
So I'm going to put you back. I'm going to let you talk to Lori, and Pavel and Mr. Kimball and I will talk and figure out where we go forward because I just don't know. I don't know. My only concern is I don't want you to go back. That's all I want.
If I tell you this right now, man, I promise you today, right now, that I will not go back to that. I'm telling you right now, because this is troubling. Not like you said, I do not want it to trouble me. I promise you, this court, I will not go back to that store.
Let me talk to Lori and see where we go. Okay. I don't know. And I wish I could believe you. I really do. But given our history, it's very, very hard for me to do that.
I just want you to, please, you sent me to this treatment. I completed it. I did all that was told of me. I didn't get no write-ups, no so-called VRs from that treatment.
You get out of the facility, and less than 10 days later, you went back. That's the rub.
I'm not, how can I say this? It's not like I was visiting a friend.
You're going back.
I understand. I understand this. I mean, this is the way I'm just talking here, and I'm just talking, and I'm not going to go back. I'm telling you this right now. I'm not going to go back. I'm not going. This is me telling you for real that. This is me telling this court.
I need to record this so that we have this conversation in 2 weeks. If you were to get out, we'll see.
We got you, Judge. Don't worry.
Let me talk to Lori, and we're going to figure out where the proper, how to go forward, Mr. Ariel. I just don't know anymore.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Simmons.
Sir.
How's jail? How's jail? Really? I don't know anything about you. All I know is that you're wanted out of state somewhere for something that I have no idea what. We're going to find out. Shreya has told me that you want me to set you a bond. And I don't know, I don't know you. I've never met you before. So and the only way that I can really judge people is how they are on paper. How you are on paper tells me what kind of person you are, because when you come in front of me, everybody acts like it's little bunnies jumping in the woods, right? little Bambi and whatnot. But me, I don't know you. So let's find out.
And he's wanted out of Clark County, Nevada for battery with a deadly weapon. In our Harris County jurisdiction, he's currently wanted for felon possession of a weapon, fraud 5 to 9 items, and robbery. Wait, so that, am I the wrong person?
Yes, you have Dwayne Sylvester. We're looking at Tavion Simmons.
Oh, sorry. He's wanted out of Platte County, Missouri for burglary, 2nd degree, and stealing $750 or more. However, this is the same defendant in a previous fugitive case just a few months ago for literally the same offenses, where he forfeited a new warrant had to be issued out for his arrest last month.
Did we give him a bond?
No, he was returned to the jurisdiction, but that warrant was from 2022 that he absconded for roughly 1.5 years, some odd couple of months.
This is Tavion Simmons, right?
Yes, Tavion Simmons.
Because I don't see a prior fugitive case.
And then he was returned, and then obviously a month or two out, he immediately forfeited again, and then a new warrant was issued for literally the same cases.
They had to do a consolidation of SPIN numbers. So what's showing up is a new SPIN number. So there's another SPIN number attached to his name, and it shows the rest of his record.
Oh, I can't, do you know what that is? Because I'm not showing any priors. I'm not showing any. I'm showing that he's clean as a whistle.
No, he's currently on deferred for engaging in organized criminal activity. He recently had a 2nd degree felony theft dismissed pursuant to the plea on the engaging. He has.
Is that here in Harris County?
Yes, Judge. These are all Harris County. And then he had 2 prior fugitive cases even before those, and then another engaging in organized criminal activity. So he's on double deferred.
Double secret probation, triple secret probation.
And then another UUMB that was dismissed pursuant to that, and FSRA, another theft that was dismissed in 2022. We're still in the 2000s. Criminal mischief, that's a state jail felony. Invasive criminal or visual recording, that's still 2022. Indecent assault, still 2022. And that's just Harris County. I haven't run his FBI. So I'm going to obviously be opposed to him getting a bond.
Did he give you a bond?
Well, Your Honor, that's from 2022. I served my time for that. I served my time for all those cases. Like right now, I didn't pick up.
You keep picking up fugitive cases. This is your 3rd fugitive case.
It's the same case, sir. It's the same case. The reason why I have a fugitive warrant right now is because the day I was supposed to go to court, I got arrested for tickets, and that was. And you can see that I forgot, like last month, I got arrested for tickets that day. I had a flight booked and everything, showing that I was going to go to court.
That's you. Look how many priors.
This
is you.
3 cases.
3
dismissed. They got dismissed.
They were dismissed pursuant to the conviction, and the defendant is making my argument for me. He's saying that he violated the terms of other cases by picking up other offenses and getting arrested, to say nothing of the fact that he's on triple deferred in this county while he has fugitives out, and this being his, well, technically 4th, but 3rd, with the 2nd being on the same cases. He can't seem to comply with any of his conditions by committing more violations in other counties. He has warrants out in multiple states.
And why none of this pulls on? So I see that you have our fugitive case. You had a fugitive case from
There's
December.
one filed on December 2nd, 2022. A previous one was filed on May 3rd, 2022. Previous one was filed on March 11th, 2022.
Tell me, this case that he's wanted for now, are those new cases that he's picked up over there?
No, it's for the same cases that he already was returned on and then forfeited again, and then a new warrant was issued on the same cases. So it's just.
Got it.
Yes.
Okay. So essentially, you go back, and if you said it's Missouri?
It's Platte County, Missouri. Yes, Judge.
Go back, and then I guess you take off, you leave, and then they issue new warrants. But this is the 3rd time this has happened, where they keep issuing warrants because you keep taking off or you keep not doing something that you're supposed to do. They keep issuing warrants. So tell me, why would I reward that behavior?
I'm on deferred probation. I am not going to get into trouble. The reason why I missed court this last time is because I got picked up for tickets in Harris County from 2018 when I just got out of jail, 2023, February 10th. Those could have been handled while I was in jail, but when I got pulled over, they brought me those old warrants, tickets from 2008 that I didn't even know I had. I was telling them, I just got out of jail. How do I have tickets, warrants when I just got out? And I missed court. Like, I went to the court day before. I have no reason to run out there. They not offering me no time or nothing. They're trying to run my probation concurrent. It's no reason for me to run. I went to the
I'm not worried about your traffic stuff. I'm worried about the stuff in Missouri.
Yeah, I'm going to handle it. They trying to offer me probation. They trying to run it concurrent with Texas, and I'm going to get an interstate compound. It's not like they offer me 10 years and I'm trying to run from that. It's not nothing like that. That's why they keep giving me bonds to go out there. It just is far. It's like 12 hours. But I had a flight and everything booked. Like I had it.
Maybe at some point they'll get it that if they give you a bond, you're just not going to continue to show up. I don't know, but I can't really reward you with a bond when you keep doing the same thing over and over and over. It's like my child. If I tell my child, hey, don't do this, and he does it again, and I don't punish him, what's going to happen? He's going to do it again, right?
Right, but it's not like that. I'm running. It's just
But it is like that, though.
I'm there from me being incarcerated. December 2nd of 2022, I came to jail and I had
the analogy.
I had court like the same week. It's not like I'm running. I had court. I'm incarcerated. I can't go if I'm incarcerated. That's why they keep giving me bonds out there. Every time I go, they be like, "What happened?" I say, "I was incarcerated." They give me a bond and I go home.
Because you keep picking cases up here in Harris County, too.
Why haven't I picked up a case in Harris County since 2022? This is 2024. I'm on.
Wow, a theft, 150,000 to 300,000.
It's the same. That's why it's a secondary felony, and that's why really the last time he was here, he's part of a jugging investigation at a bank. And I'll go back to my previous notes for the last time we approached.
What happened in that theft case?
Theft case?
Yeah.
That one is
150,000 to 300,000. That's a chunk of change, man.
it's part of the jugging. It was burglarized at Chase Bank. Total amount taken by the defendants $232.280. Their dispatch found a drive-through ATM to be burglarized. They recovered a stolen truck and tools that were utilized to break into the drive-through ATM. Let's see.
Man, you're too dangerous for me. I can't do it.
That's from 2020.
I don't care if it's from 2018 or 2011. My point is, Mr. Simmons, you are a dangerous person. I know you're going to tell me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods, but the fact remains, I think you're a dangerous person. If I let you out, what good's going to happen?
I mean, with you not letting me out, I'm going to fly to Kansas and I'm going to...
You can't fly to Kansas.
Yes, they're going to extradite me, right? They're going to extradite me to Kansas.
I let you out and you try to get on a plane. You still have a warrant that's open from Missouri. They will arrest you on the spot and take you right back over here.
I went through this. This is not my first time going through this. I bonded out and I had 2 weeks to go turn my, and I
Therein lies the problem. It's not your first time.
Yeah, but it's not like I was doing something. It's because I was incarcerated. Like, it's not like I'm actually getting out and not going to court. I got incarcerated for a warrant. It's not like I missed court because I was incarcerated.
I'm going to make sure now that we're going to get you back to Missouri. We're going to wait for them to come get you. And at that point, we'll get you back so you can answer the charges over there.
Right.
But I can't, in good conscience, give you a bond. It's too much drama, man.
Well, without bringing up stuff from 2019, it's going to be, that's old. It's like 6 years ago. This is 2024. I haven't got in trouble since 2022. I've been out on probation for a long time now. Like, I ain't picked up a new charge in Harris County. So with y'all giving me a bond or not, I'm going to fly to Missouri and I'm going to bond out, and it's going to be the same thing. I have a bond out there, $7,500.
Hey, when you get over there, if they give you a bond and you post a bond, don't leave, because otherwise we're going to be in this position a fourth time. And I'm not going to give you a bond. If you get arrested again because you take off from Missouri, you're going to be sitting in jail for a long time again.